sir.
Good morning to everyone. Myself G. Kirtana of class 9 from St. John's High School.
Good morning everyone. Myself M. Alekia of class 9 from St. John's High School.
Good morning to everyone. Myself B. Dikshita of class 9 from St. John's High School.
Introduction. We are going to perform a model named as automatic street lights.
Components required in this model are Arduino board, breadboard, LED lights. LED stands for light emitting diode. Jumper wires, USB cable. USB stands for universal serial bus. LDR sensor. LDR sensor stands for light dependence resistor.
Now I am going to explain the working of the model. Nowadays we can observe that municipal workers turning on the street light during daytime to night time, even if vehicle enters the road or passes away the road, so that electricity is wasted. To save the electricity and manpower, we are performing this activity. For example, here you can observe that when the vehicle enters the road, LDR senses it and you can observe that street lights will turn on automatically. When the vehicle passes away, you can observe that the street light will automatically turn off. By this, we can save the electricity and manpower.
Advantage of this model is we can save the excessive of electric power by offing and oning the street lights.
By this model, we can conclude that we can save the power or electricity.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself M. Vasikaran of class 9 from St. John's High School.
Good morning everyone. Myself M. Khaja Nasiruddin of class 9 from St. John's High School.
Good morning everyone. Myself Embryons of class 9 from St. John's High School.
Today we have designed a project that helps the blind people to protect themselves from accidents and injuries called Smart Blind Stick. The components required to make this project are ultrasonic sensor, USB cable, Arduino board, power bank, jumper wires, buzzer. This buzzer has two wires and the red one is positive and the black one is negative.
By keeping the problems of blind people, we have designed a project which helps blind people from injuries and accidents. The main use of this project is to The main use of project is to avoid the accidents and injuries for the blind people. In this project, the ultrasonic sensor is used, which can detect up to 1 meter. The ultrasonic sensor will detect the obstacle which is in front of it and send the signal to the buzzer. And immediately the buzzer will buzz and the sound is heard by the blind man and he will change his route.
Now I will demonstrate my model. Now think that I am a blind person. I am walking on a road. Since my buzzer is not buzzing, it is signaling me that there is no harm for me and I can walk smoothly on the road. Since my buzzer is buzzing, it is signaling me that there is a harm for me in front of me, and it is telling to stop my walk on the road.
Now I will demonstrate my model. Think that I am a blind man. I am walking on a road. Since my buzzer is not buzzing, so there is no harm in front of me. Since the buzzer is buzzing, there is a harm in front of me. So the ultrasonic sensor is giving the signal to buzzer, and the buzzer is buzzing. So there is a harm in front of it. So I must change my route.
Now I will also
So by this activity,
we conclude that the
use of blind stick helps us.
The use of blind stick helps the blind people, and this is very effective to use by a blind person and to detect the obstacles and provide a navigation route to avoid the obstacles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. Myself Satya from class 9, student of St. John's High School.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Abhinay from class 9, student of St. John's High School.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Varshit of class 9, student of St. John's High School.
Today we have made a model which detects manhole. It is called manhole detector. A manhole detector is a device which is used to identify the manholes when they are covered or buried into the ground.
Now I am going to tell some advantages of manhole detector. Detects exact position of manhole even when it is buried or hard to see. Most of manhole detections don't need digging or disturbing the ground. Works in low visibility conditions also.
How this model works? When an object or a vehicle is come near to the IR sensor, the IR sensor will immediately detect the object or the vehicle and it sends signals to Arduino, and Arduino will send signals to the buzzer and the LED. Then the system will activate and give one signal to the people. Working of the model. You can see that the LED is blinking. It is a signal that it is working properly. Thank you.
Manhole detector help to find manholes that are buried, covered or hidden. They make job faster, safer and more accurate by using tools like magnets, radar, cameras and sensors. These detectors are useful for city workers, smart systems, safety checks, saving time and preventing accidents. Thank you.
Thank you.